doing, Khwahish? Why do you need umbrella?
What is this sound?
What are you doing, Ayaan? It's raining outside. Huh? Can I get one umbrella? Where is your umbrella? You get one. Raining.
What is this sound?
Where are you going? Yeah, you cannot ride your bicycle. Yeah, with umbrella. You need umbrella. Open, try.
What?
I look. If you want to close it, look, just open like this. But
Yeah.
if you want to close, you can do like.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ding 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 ding.
Where are you going?
We in the house like stay. Everyone can come to my umbrella.
Yeah.
This is it.
And where is your shoes? You cannot go outside without your shoes or sandal.
Ding ding ding. Yeah.
Why did you close?
Yeah.
Take it. Take this umbrella.
No.
Yeah, let him play. Thank you, Khwahish. Thanks for help.
How about me?
Yeah.
You can keep it. We will come back.
And you cannot ride your bicycle outside. It's raining outside. Why?
And you need to shoot in your umbrella. Or you can use mine. Yes. Everyone can come in. You're not your mom and daddy, right?
Right.
And you.
Slow. Go slow.
Oh, slowly.
Yeah, let him go, Khwahish. Where are you going?
Because he didn't say thank you.
Yeah, that's fine. Ayaan.
Ayaan, go slowly. Ayaan, come back. You cannot go there.
Why?
He's going the road.
No. Come back.
Ayaan, be careful.
Pedal hard.
Ayaan, very hard. You can do it. And you need an umbrella. And look at your shirt is very wet. Daddy, don't help him. You can do it by yourself. Ayaan, pedal very fast.
Do you need help? Khwahish, can you please help him? No. Let her help you. No, she's helping you, Ayaan.
Yes.
What?
Ayaan is very wet.
Yeah.
I need the umbrella.
You take it. Then how will you ride your bike with umbrella?
Daddy,
You will fall down, Ayaan. You have to be very careful. Thank you. Ayaan, take your bicycle. No, put it inside. Yeah, thank you. Ayaan, get your bicycle.
And the small one, money others. When you want to get the. Oh, no, one can help. No.
Help him, Khwahish.
Do it, Daddy, it's not fixed.
It's not fixed.
And Jimmy tell you can
Let me fix it for you.
fix.
Yeah, it is fixed.
Mama,
Now, yeah.
you do not
Edna, why are you screaming? Where are you going? It's raining. Go inside now. Mango time. Mango. Yummy mango. Is it delicious?